ever feel like your mind is constantly jumping from one thing to another? You sit down to complete an important task, maybe finishing a work project or studying for an exam. But before you know it, you're reaching for your phone. You tell yourself it's just for a second, maybe to check a quick notification, but suddenly minutes have passed and you've completely lost track of what you were doing. It's like your brain is constantly looking for an escape, making it harder than ever to stay focused. Our attention spans are shrinking faster than ever, and the digital world is making it worse. Studies show that the average human attention span has dropped to just 8 seconds, shorter than that of a goldfish. This means we struggle to focus, complete tasks, and retain information. But here's the good news. You can train your brain to regain focus, improve productivity, and get back control over your mind. In this video, we'll go over scientifically proven techniques to fix your attention span and make a real change in your life. Let's start by understanding why our attention spans are declining so rapidly. Why is your attention span getting worse? Before we fix the problem, we need to understand what's causing it. The decline in our attention spans isn't just random. It's happening for specific reasons. Here are the biggest culprits. The digital overload. We live in a world where screens dominate our attention. Social media, endless notifications, emails, and non-stop entertainment have rewired our brains to crave constant stimulation. Every time we check our phones, switch between apps, or scroll mindlessly through content, we reinforce the habit of distraction. This makes it harder to focus on one thing for an extended period, weakening our ability to engage deeply with any task. The more we jump from one thing to another, the harder it becomes to sit still and concentrate. Think about it. How often do you start an important task, only to grab your phone just for a second and then lose track of time? When was the last time you read an article or watched a full video without checking your notifications? Our brains are adapting to short bursts of information, making it increasingly difficult to focus on long-form content or deep work. This digital overload isn't just affecting our productivity, it's reshaping the way we think and process information. Multitasking is ruining your focus. Many people believe that multitasking is a skill that makes them more productive. In reality, multitasking is one of the worst things you can do for your focus. Studies show that when you switch between tasks, your brain takes time to reorient itself, leading to mental fatigue and reduced efficiency. For example, if you're writing an email while watching TV and checking your phone, your brain isn't handling all 3 tasks at once. It's rapidly switching between them. This constant switching drains your energy, makes tasks take longer, and lowers your ability to concentrate on deep work. Poor sleep and stress levels. If you're constantly feeling distracted and mentally drained, poor sleep could be a major reason. When you don't get enough rest, your brain struggles to filter out distractions and stay focused. Sleep is essential for memory retention and attention control, helping your mind reset and function properly. Without it, even simple tasks can feel overwhelming, and your ability to concentrate takes a serious hit. Studies show that just one night of bad sleep can reduce your focus and cognitive performance, making it even harder to stay on track during the day. Stress is another silent attention killer. When your brain is overloaded with worries, it struggles to focus on the present task. That's why people with high stress or anxiety often find themselves zoning out, forgetting things, or jumping from one task to another without making real progress. Stress triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone that keeps your brain in a constant state of alertness. Great for survival, but terrible for deep focus and productivity. The more stressed you are, the harder it becomes to stay engaged in what truly matters. Viewers, now that we've uncovered the hidden factors that weaken attention span, let's explore life-changing solutions to help you regain focus and take back control of your mind. Practice deep work. Eliminate distractions. One of the best ways to fix your attention span is by practicing deep work, focusing on one task for an extended period without distractions. How to do it? Turn off notifications on your phone and computer when working. Set a timer and dedicate 30 to 60 minutes to one task without interruptions. Work in a distraction-free environment. No TV, no social media, no background noise. Use noise-canceling headphones if you're in a noisy setting. At first, you might struggle to focus for long periods, but with practice, your brain will adapt, and your attention span will gradually improve. The power of single tasking. If multitasking is killing your focus, then single tasking is the solution. This means focusing on one thing at a time, completing it, and then moving on to the next task. Our brains aren't wired to juggle multiple tasks at once. Every time you switch from one thing to another, your brain has to refocus, which drains mental energy. Single tasking prevents this constant back and forth, helping you stay engaged and efficient. When you fully concentrate on one task, you not only complete it faster, but also improve the quality of your work. Over time, this strengthens your ability to focus for longer periods, making deep work feel more natural. To start single tasking, be intentional about your actions. When eating, just eat. Avoid scrolling on your phone. When reading, immerse yourself in the words without checking notifications. And when working, eliminate background distractions and give your full attention to the task at hand. It might feel challenging at first, but with practice, your brain will relearn how to sustain focus, and you'll notice a significant improvement in your attention span. Train your brain with mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness and meditation are scientifically proven to increase focus, reduce distractions, and improve cognitive function. Our brains are constantly overstimulated, making it difficult to stay present. Mindfulness trains your brain to focus on the moment instead of jumping between thoughts. Meditation, on the other hand, helps rewire your brain by strengthening the prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for attention control. Studies have shown that just 10 minutes of meditation a day can significantly improve concentration, reduce stress, and enhance mental clarity. Over time, this practice helps you become more aware of distractions and consciously bring your focus back to the task at hand. A simple way to start is mindful breathing. Sit in a quiet place, close your eyes, and take slow, deep breaths. Focus on the sensation of air entering and leaving your body. If your mind wanders, gently guide it back to your breath. This small habit, when practiced consistently, can transform your ability to concentrate, helping you stay fully engaged in work, conversations, and daily activities. Fuel your brain with the right nutrition. Your diet plays a crucial role in your ability to concentrate. Just like a car needs the right fuel to run efficiently, your brain needs proper nutrients to stay sharp and focused. Eating brain-boosting foods can enhance memory, improve cognitive function, and keep you alert throughout the day. On the other hand, consuming unhealthy foods can drain your energy, slow down mental processing, and make it harder to focus. For better attention and mental clarity, include foods rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and essential nutrients. Blueberries and dark chocolate contain powerful antioxidants that protect brain cells and enhance memory. Fatty fish like salmon and tuna are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which strengthen brain function and improve focus. Nuts and seeds provide vital nutrients and healthy fats that support long-term cognitive health. However, avoid sugary snacks, which cause rapid energy spikes followed by crashes, leading to mental fatigue. Processed and fast foods loaded with unhealthy fats and artificial ingredients can impair brain function over time. By making smart food choices, you can fuel your brain for maximum concentration and mental performance. Rebuilding your attention span takes time, but every small step adds up. Cutting down on distractions, practicing deep work, and focusing on one task at a time will help rewire your brain for better concentration. Prioritizing quality sleep, eating brain-boosting foods, and staying hydrated will fuel your mind with the energy it needs to stay sharp. Mindfulness and meditation will further train your brain to resist distractions and stay present. Remember, improving focus isn't about perfection, it's about progress. So what's your biggest struggle when it comes to focusing? Do you find yourself constantly reaching for your phone, or is stress making it hard to concentrate? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more life-changing tips.